We see a trend today towards treating the delivery box as a vehicle for bringing a branded message direct from the marketing department to the customer. As the market-leading publication, it's Packaging Europe's mission to lead the discussion on innovation in our industry. But as well as talking about innovation, we like to put it into practice. The possibilities opened up by digital print is a huge topic for us, and we decided to conduct our own little experiment in customization with the marketing objective of enhancing reader experience and attracting new subscribers.
We hit on the idea of customising each box with designs reflecting the geography of the reader, then making something that was greater than the sum of its parts to create a wow effect.
I was introduced to the HP page-wide C500 press and was really impressed by the lifelike printing quality it delivers directly to the corrugated substrate. The ability to create 20 different versions and to turn that around really fast was a perfect fit for our needs.
We printed the job using the HP C500 press with lick packaging. The results were simply stunning. Working with the C500 gave me the freedom to come up with a concept without being weighed down by typical packaging or printing constraints.
We've invited subscribers to share their unboxing experience on Twitter. The lucky winners will receive all 20 boxes to put the complete corrugated masterpiece on their walls.
The campaign has generated great PR and it's exposed us to hundreds of potential new subscriptions.